It's 7:30 a.m. We're in Glendale, Arizona, suburban Phoenix. It's winter time and the sun's coming up, so I'm getting ready for my ride. A lot of people have asked me about the lights on the trike, and it's something I'm pretty proud of. I've been fiddling with it for years, and today I want to show you, as we ride along, how I do this. Oh, yeah, here's the charger. So it charges in the garage overnight. I just unplug the wires, and actually I carry the wires along with me. I sort of tuck them in. You can see that's what I'm doing right now. The light in the helmet takes one of those little circular batteries. I think they call it a 2032, and I replace it every once in a while. It's a little bit chilly this morning, 44 degrees and cloudy, so I'm putting on my heavier gloves, but it'll warm up later on. Okay, time to turn the trike around and let's ride. It's another beautiful morning here in suburban Phoenix. We're headed, oh, that's the bulk trash, or is that called loose trash? Whatever it is, you put it out like the third week of the month, and the city comes and scoops it up. Let's see if there's any more. Anyway, where was? Oh yeah, we're headed due west. And my first stop will be McDonald's to get my coffee. I order my coffee on my app on my phone in the comfort of my home before I leave the house, and then all I have to do is just hit a few buttons and walk in there and go pick it up. I've always been a technology person, and even though I'm a man of age, I actually prefer to just walk in and click and go. I say hi to everybody. I'd rather just use my voice to be friendly. Tell them good morning. But I understand that McDonald's is kind of backing down on all this technology stuff, and they want to get some of us, what are we, people of age back into their restaurants. So yeah, you can use cash and you can talk to someone if that's what you want. Okay, it's time for me to start paying attention to what I'm doing when I get closer to intersections. It is perfectly legal for me to be up riding my trike on the sidewalk, but people can't see me, so it's not perfectly legal or wise for me to go zooming around as if I have the right-of-way, which I really don't. And as I mentioned before, the trike has a lot of lights. Of course, it has a headlight, and as you saw, it's USB chargeable, so I turn it on when I get ready to leave, and I leave it on the whole time I'm out riding. Turn it off when I get home. The tail light is just under the doggy carrier and between the grocery carriers, and it's red and it flashes steadily. But I want to show you something I'm especially proud of. Stay with me. There's another tail light on the top, or on the end of the flag, which kind of goes if lights made a sound. It's not terribly bright, but it's at least higher than me, because I'm kind of low. And here's a closer view of it. It's about I'd say about 6 feet off the ground, which is about twice as high as the taillight under the doggy carrier. I'm coming up to an intersection, there's a red light, so it looks like that lady's going to cross, and I stop well back. I'm not interested in zooming past people or freaking them out. I have all the time in the world. I don't have a horn or a bell on the trike. I don't honk at people. And if you're close enough to hear a bell, you can hear me say, "Good morning." And of course, I can see you in my side view mirrors. I like my side view mirrors a lot. Okay, as soon as we cross the halfway mark on 67th Avenue, we've left the city of Glendale, and we're entering the city of Peoria. And there are the Jehovah's Witness people who sometimes help me practice my Spanish. Buenos dias! And here's the entrance to Crossroads Plaza, where there's, let me see, there's the Dollar Tree, Harbor Freight, Tak Harbon, and on the other side of this is McDonald's. That's where we're going. Well, there you go. There's the sign for McDonald's, the Golden Arches. That particular sign has been knocked down a couple of times in the last few years. Trucks keep driving into it, and they keep putting it back up. My understanding is that it has to be a little bit shorter because of those gigantic power lines up there. They don't want that sign to be anywhere near those power lines. Well, it only takes a few minutes for me to ride from my house to the McDonald's, so do you remember the number for the order? That's okay, I don't remember either. But my phone remembers, and that's what matters. Like I mentioned, I kind of like the order and go, but if you want, you can go in there and you can talk to people and you can pay with cash. Hang on a second here, I'm going to let this person... Okay, what was I saying? Yeah, you can do it the old-fashioned way if you want to. McDonald's wants you to come in. So if you go there and you see me riding up, wave to me, say hi. Thank you for riding along with me today. Please like, subscribe, make a comment, anything you want. I'll see you next time.